Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video tutorial on LogMeOnce. So first off guys, what you gotta do is click on sign up for free. So you guys just have to wait for a little bit for it to load up and then just enter your email. So after entering your email, you just click on next. You have to enter your first name, like my first name is Ned. Enter password. You have to make a strong password, guys. Here is it, guys. It's 86% strong, but let's make it 100% strong. Why not, guys? After a little bit, guys, I'll show you what's the secret to making a 100% strong password, guys. So let's just re-enter it right now. So after that, let's agree. Oh, okay, there. The same. I forgot about the most important part that I'll show you after a few seconds. So security question. So our security question, let's choose it. What? Enter siblings? No. Maybe was it where you born? My answer will be Koprinka. And let's rewrite our answer, Koprinka. And after that, just click on sign up. It's really simple as that, guys. So here, guys, let me show you the billing plans real quick. So there's the premium edition, which we will use right now, which is free. It gives us unlimited passwords, unlimited autofill, unlimited devices and sync, and etc. But professional plan, this is a paid plan now, so it gives us everything that is featured in the premium edition, but with additional perks. And it's only for $2.50 per month. When built annually. So there's also Ultimate Edition, which is priced as the best one. You have to just pay for $2.93 for everything in professional, plus all these kinds of perks, guys. And there's also a family edition that is a little bit more expensive, but that is it. So let's just hop into the free one. So here we're being given a small tutorial that we don't need, so we also don't need this. And let's just add a app with a password. So let's say the app is netflix.com. Oops, I didn't add everything. Let's not add an extension. So we just have to add the name. Okay, Netflix. Let's add Netflix. Flex. Here is it. Here. So it even got us the login link, and the username is Betty the Duck 123, and the password. So let me show you what's the real deal when you write a password. So let's say that Betty the Duck's password is Betty is pretty, but let me show it to you, and just let's write a couple digits in there. So let's see, guys. So the password for now is Betty is pretty 123, and the final and finishing touch is in the end. Can you guess, guys? It's 2 capital letters. So the capital letters are the finishing move because capital letters are counted as special characters, and special characters are very hard to be guessed easily. Like you can guess a digit, you can guess a I guess a letter. It may be capital, it may be small letters, but it doesn't really matter. When it comes to special characters, there are many, and this is just one of them, so it makes the password really strong. So let's add the app to our collection, and so it again asks us if we'd like to install a extension, but I won't. Okay, so I guess we have to add the extension. Okay, let's just download it. Okay, here it is. Just click on add to Chrome, just then click on add extension, and then wait for it to download. It's 5.1 megabytes. It isn't not even, it may be one of the lightest programs that we have. So here we can see our identity score. I don't think is it here. Okay, so the app that we logged in isn't here, but it doesn't matter. We'll do it again. We'll do it the easy way. Okay, no, it will be Netflix again. Here is it, Netflix, Betty the duck, and the password is Betty the duck 123 exclamation mark, then add up, and here it is, guys. So when our safe opens, we can see that there is Betty the duck Netflix account. So when you just add this, you just it opens Betty the duck account, and we can see that this isn't our account. There isn't an account as that as Betty the duck because I just made it up, but you can just add your account, add your password, and you'll be added there in no moment. So you can also secure notes, you can secure wallet, you can secure profile. Let me just show you what you can do with a note. Like maybe let's say that you're a fan of RuneScape, and when you want to add your password to RuneScape here, let's say here we add RuneScape, but there is no RuneScape, so we just go in secure notes. After that, click on add notes, and we can make a category like there are application passports, no category, appliance passwords, children driven, email address, and let's say it is for let's say it's for personal usage. Where was it? Okay, let's say it's for an application password. So that the password is RuneScape, and the notice let's say Jeff the banker, and the password is Yankee 111 exclamation mark. After that, we can add a note, and it is here. We have to click it. After we click it, it's shown that our RuneScape account name is Jeff the banker, and our password is Yankee111 exclamation mark. So guys, that was it for the video tutorial for today. I wish you guys all a happy day, and I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.